Class. This is your teacher, Thomas again. Geometry Wednesday, Orange class in particular. I felt so bad about the what happened today with the sine and cosine that I'm going to do a quick version for you to have. So write down, watch it, see if it clarifies what we were saying today, and hopefully it'll be cool because this is what I'm going to do for the other class as well. So again, let's see. The question is, should I have you watch me write this, or then just have it pop up? So basically I'm going to do angle like we did earlier. We'll do sine, cosine, and then I think I'm going to put up tangent, but just so that it can be up there as a distraction to make things more confusing, because no need for it to be all clear. So here we go. So we'll put tangent. Let's erase the E on sine so it can be consistent with the three letters sine, cosine. Please don't say sin, because math people, we don't like that. All right, here we go. Let's see if I can put up some angles in, let's see, black, and then let's see what we can have with that. So let's try it. Let's do 20 degrees, 20, 30, 40. I'm going to put a line so that I can make a distinction. Then I'm going to put 50, 60, 70. 50, 60. Why not put in a different color? Now 50, 60, 70. You have to go with black. I'll erase. Put the degrees. Sure, why not? Oh man, I didn't want to do that. Come on. All right, here it comes. Let's put the degree signs on. At this point, you can be deciding, should I watch this movie or maybe something with explosions? I say keep it on this. So here we go. For 20, good, I don't have any numbers. Sweet. 30, let's see, I got two numbers. The sine of 30 is 0.5 thousand. The cosine happens to be 0.8660. Let's see what I got here. Then they gave me, let's see, for 40 I got the cosine on that thing, which is 0.7660. And then let's say 50. 50, I got both of them. I got both the sine, 7660, and the cosine, 0.6427. That's going to be a little tight right there. I'll make that 7 in red. Let's see if I can back. Then erase that and just write it right in. 50, where are you? 0.6427. 60, anything for 60? Yeah, I got the 0.8660. And did they give me anything for 70? Yes. They give me 0.3420. So here's the deal. This is sort of a puzzle. Some pieces are there and other pieces are missing. Your task is to fill in the missing pieces. Now, how do you do that based on what we were talking about earlier? It has to do with complementary angles. I'm going to do some coloring here so that you can feel what you're looking for. So let's do this first. Let's make this dividing line between the 50 and the 40. That's an important line of distinction. The next thing I want to do is put some colors here to tell you what angles are partners, which angles are complementary, which angles add up to 90 degrees, which is what it means to be complementary. So here we go. How about 20 hooks up with 70? Hey 70, how you doing? Looking good. Yeah, 20 hooks up with 70. How about, let's do 30 hooks up with 60. Hey 30, hey 60. Yeah, let's hang out. And obviously the 40 and the 50, if you didn't figure that out, that's okay. That just means you're not a genius. But whatever, we're not all geniuses. In any case, boom, there you go. Those are the guys that connect. Like, okay, so how does that help me? How does that do whatever? Let me see if I can get a highlighter. If I can get a highlighter, you might be able to see some stuff. Let's see, pens. Can I get some highlight? Where's the highlighters? Right here. Yeah, like some highlighters. Oh, here it comes. Now with the highlight, let me show you some stuff. See who goes with whom. So let's try this. Let's go with the yellow highlight. I'm going to go high yellow. Watch this. The sine of 20 degrees matches with its partner. His partner happens to be 70. It matches the cosine on that guy. So the first column sine matches the second column, but its complementary angle. In other words, 20 sine matches 70 cosine. Hopefully you see that. Let me add another color. Once you see the color coordination, then you're like, wait a second, I think I see what this guy is saying. In other words, the sine of 30 matches the cosine of its complement, that is 60, the degree that adds up to 90 degrees. Hopefully the colors are helping a little bit. It's going to help us fill in some of the missing boxes. Here it comes, and let's get another color here. Sure, why not? Let's go with this color. It looks like turquoise. So the sine of 40, whatever that answer is, matches the cosine of its complement of 50. I hope they can feel that. Complement means two numbers that add up, or in this case, 2 degrees that add up to 90 degrees. So here's the deal. If I'm missing something, I wish I had a cursor, something I could just put in there where we can see it moving. So if I needed to get this box, oops, I didn't want to do that. I just find another box that has the same color. If I want to get this box, whoa, you see me moving that? If I want to find out what's missing there, I just find that color on the second column of the cosine. I'm about to write in the answer in just a second. Right now you're pretty excited, like, dude, just write in the answer, but here it comes. Let me see if I can get these answers in for you. Here I go. Let's see if I can do this. Do it in blue. Do it in blue. Why blue? Blue just means I put in the answer. Do it in red. Do it in blue. I'm going blue. So watch this. Hey Thomas, here at the top row, what is going to be the answer for the sine of 20 degrees? This guy up here. The answer for the sine of 20 degrees, the guy that's moving. I just found it out of yellow. Believe it or not, here it comes. Point 3420. Can you feel that? I hope you can. Green. Green is already filled in. So let me jump down like this green here. That is the sine of 30 degrees. We already have an answer, so I'm going to go down to this guy here. The sine of 40 degrees. You see him moving? Look at him. Can someone guess at home what the answer is going to be? I know you can. I'm going to write it in. Here it comes. Point 6427. Boy, I wish I would have done that in class. You guys would have been like, oh, this is so sweet. But it didn't. It's unsweet. I'm going to try and finish it off in under 10 minutes. Let's see if I get the last two. What do I need now? Hey, I need this green guy. What green guy? The cosine of 60 degrees. Well, the cosine of 60 degrees is equal to the sine of its complement. That is the sine of 30 degrees. In other words, if you know colors, the green up here goes with the green down here. Dang, I wish I had done this in class. Oh, man. Sorry I didn't do it that way. Oh, man. All right, so let me do that. This is $5,000. And I think I put in this 64 thing. Yeah, I must have put in the 64. Let me put it in blue because that's the color that tells me I put it in. We're down to the very end here. There's nothing for 70. Who's this complimentary? Oh, sweet. Hello. Hello, Jackson Brown. I hope you're seeing that. Yeah, Algebra Bros. I'm auditioning, but the last one I need is this 20. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. My bad. That 8.66 is on the 30 line. The 30 line goes with the 60 line, so that's why there's a 866 here, which means I have to erase it. Sorry, Algebra Bros, I apologize for all that. This line here, 70, it's a question mark because I don't know 20, so what are we going to do? I don't know. It's an old song. Now that we found love, what are we going to do with it? That's old school. That's Guy or something like, now that we found love, what are we going to do with it? I'm done.